Just got done with my lash fill appointments and I absolutely love them. So in one of my Costco haul products, I got the oats overnight. I am so excited to try them. It comes with a shaker bottle. It comes with 14 packs in there. And these are the flavors right there. But yeah, I am so excited to give this a try. I really want to see what's in there. So these packets are so cute. Cute! It is white. I work tomorrow morning, so that works out perfectly. I'm going to mix one up tonight so that tomorrow morning I can have it for breakfast while driving to work. Hey guys, I just got off work and on my way home I stopped by Barbecue Babes. Show you guys what I ordered. It's definitely go big or go home. Got me some of the jalapeno poppers with the dipping sauces for it. Give them a bite each and dip into the different sauces that they gave me here. I'm just gonna go for it. It is so good. Now for the real course. I think it's like a coconut type of a mashed potatoes, their gravy, and their sesame ginger brisket. Yummo. Oh my god, so good. Jiggly, pass the jiggle test. Delicious. So good. Great flavor. Just the right amount of saltiness, not too much. Can't really explain the taste that I'm tasting. It might be like I want to say ginger, but I could be completely wrong. To try their upside down pineapple cake. So I'm very excited for this. I'm not usually a very sweet tooth person. So good, guys.